Hi all. So I was just watching a video by Adam Parrish on LearnBridge Online, and it's called The Ingredients to a Squeeze Play, making squeeze play simple. So it's lesson 2. And I was watching this hand and I thought it was very interesting. So let's have a look. Let's have a play of it.
So they're going to take their ace king of hearts, and we ruff a heart, and we draw trumps. All right, trumps are gone, and now I'm just going to lose a club. And they play a club, I'm not taking that finesse. And now I run my trumps, and magically this is going to work, right? So I play the ace of diamonds because, you know, my queen of clubs wasn't good. So I play the ace of diamonds. I play the king of diamonds. Come on, Adam, it didn't work again.
Okay.
What was wrong this time? I switched the hand up a little bit.
Sneaky.
Right?
Sneaky Adam.
The difference is I gave East 10/3 of diamonds. For this to work, for the potential winner, for the threat card to be there, only one of the opponents can guard it, right?
Yeah.
So the problem here on this version of the hand was that West didn't have to hold on to all of their diamonds because East could hold on to the diamonds for them. Sometimes the cards are just not going to be there for your squeeze. It's just not going to set up the right way. Same way that sometimes when you take a finesse, it doesn't work, right? But we're still going to go through the motions, give ourselves every opportunity. So let's look at it.
So, well, let's just go back a tiny bit. So I'll just give you, you see, you pause the video. Let's see if you can work out how you can actually make the hand, because you can make the hand using a squeeze, okay? But we have to eliminate this this guard, okay? So Adam's right, where we only want one opponent having the guard, okay? We only want West to have the guard in the diamonds, okay? We can't have East to have this 10 of diamonds guard. So that's what we need to do. We need to remove that guard. So let's have a look at how we can do that. So we're going to play the hand. Okay, again. Okay, and we ruff the third heart. Okay, and then we draw one round of trumps. Okay, we can afford to ruff high. And now we play diamonds. Okay, and this is where the magic is going to appear. Because of the bidding, we know that West has got 5 hearts and at least 4 diamonds. They might be 5-5, we're not sure, but we know the 5-4 at the very least. Okay, so now we play this diamond, and now you can see what's happening now. We've removed the guard. Okay, again, we're going to ruff high. Okay, and now play another spade. Okay, and now they're starting to feel a pinch a little bit. Okay, and now we play this last spade, and this is why it was important to ruff high, because we don't want to be in our hand. Okay, we're now going to play this card, and now look at the problems that West has now got. So let's run through all the options. If they throw a club, we can simply play a club. Okay, and another club, and the king's going to fall because they've had to throw a club. Let's just rewind it back. Okay, so that was throwing a club. What about throwing a diamond? Well, that's easy. We've been counting. We simply play the 9 of diamonds. That's the winner because they've thrown the diamond, and we can throw our club away. Okay. Okay. And we could take a club finesse, which we know we're going to lose, but that's our third losing trick. Let's go back. So this time they throw away the heart, and now we do something clever as well. We now play the 9 of diamonds. and we simply throw a club away, okay? And now we've end played them, okay? So we kind of squeezed them, end played them. We did everything to them. They're not in a good spot. And we simply got the rest of the tricks now. So that's how you could have made that hand. Did you work it out? Anyway, Adam Parrish, great teacher, and Learn Bridge Online is a really good site. Stick with it, guys. It's good. Bridge is the best game in the world. Enjoy.